Hello everyone, in this video I will show you Windscribe promo codes. If you're looking for them, then I will show you some of the working promo codes. So make sure you apply them, you will get a discount. So this is a Windscribe here, and let's go to the pricing section. Scroll down and you will find this option, have a promo code. Yes, we do have. Click on it. Now here the first one is that make sure it is all in caps lock. That is a up NEVERG, and click on submit. By the way, some of the promo code might not work. Actually this worked, so we have to create an account to check it. So let me just quickly make a account here. Now the second promo code you can apply, this is this one, MBIY96LVO. This will give you a 20% off on the yearly plan, so you have to select yearly plan here. Now the third promo code which I will give you, that is going to give it 58% off. That is a Blaze, right? Blaze now, and this will give you 58% for the yearly subscription. But if you want 10 GB free data, you can also claim a free 10 GB of data with the promo code available on various coupon sites. So let's go and check out some of the coupon sites here. So let's just go to Google here, right? And inside the Google, let's say here we have to just write Windscribe promo codes, right? And you will get some of the promo codes here. Now these are the websites, some of the, they just only show you the promo codes, and most of the time it works. So here we don't have any of the Windscribe here. Go to the windscribe.com, but it will take us to website, and this is here we will just get 10 GB. So let's copy this here, right? And once we copy it, we'll just go to the Windscribe and paste it here and click on submit. You must confirm your email address to claim this voucher. Okay, so this works basically, right? Now here you can see that I went to my email address, and once I confirm email, I will get 10 GB of free data. So as you can see here, I have got free 10 GB. So let's go here, right? And when I just try to, okay, so we have already did this, but it's really interesting. Click on submit and it will load, and we have got this offer, right? So this is really interesting, and there are some of the more promo codes here, right? You can get it, some of the, you can see this promo code really works, and we just tried on the live. You can also get limited time offers. So Windscribe frequently updated promotion, so check for this official site or coupon site here, which we're doing. You can see here we will get uh, yearly plan at very less price, and we can also build a plan here. So it's completely up to us that how we want. So this is it guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.